Find your perfect shampoo and conditioner match with Lemongrass Spa's new Haircare collection. Everyone's hair has a story, and Lemongrass Spa has a match for every one of them. So whether your hair needs balance, hydration, or volume, there is a perfect shampoo and conditioner made just for you. The Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner made with peptides and botanicals is really designed for fine or limp hair, but honestly, everyone loves it. The peptides strengthen and botanicals really boost the scalp health. And hyaluronic acids add hydration for that soft, natural lift that you really want in your hair. The clarifying shampoo and conditioner with Rosemary Mint. Your scalp really benefits from rosemary and nettle and tea tree oils. These ingredients are very valuable for your scalp for removing buildup and adding shine. Then we have the hydrating shampoo and conditioner with coconut and hemp seed. It includes coconut, argan oil, and hemp oils that really hydrate and smooth frizz. It gives you that silky, touchable hair. Finally, we have the hydrating shampoo and conditioner with apple and argan oils. And this scent is a favorite with apple, pear, and a golden honey. This pear is going to bring back softness, healthy hair, especially if you've got dry or dull hair. So no matter what your hair type or texture is, there is a Lemongrass Spa shampoo and conditioner formulated just for your hair needs. In all 4 of these collections, they are handcrafted, made here in America. The packaging and the ingredients are eco-friendly. In these shampoos and conditioners, they all give you that salon quality look, but with ingredients that you can trust. So let me know in the comments, what is your hair type? Which one of these really stood out to you? And then we can help you to find the perfect match for shampoos and conditioners for your hair care, for yourself, and for your family.